Hi everyone, welcome back to another video in my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing everything there is to know about projects. We will be discussing about what kind of projects one should take. What are the things that one should consider while selecting a project? What are the best resources available in the net from where you can select extremely good projects? As well as I will also tell you about 5 great projects that can ensure your resume gets selected whenever you apply to all the top product based companies. So without further ado, let's get started. So we will start by detailing out all the things that you should consider while doing a project or selecting a project. First and foremost, जो हमको अपने दिमाग में बिठाना होगा ही होगा कि never ever select a tech stack and then do a project. Instead, select a project and then decide upon the tech stack that you want to build that project on based upon the requirements of that project. मैंने ये अनगिनत बार देखा है लोगों को ये पूछते हुए कि भैया मर्न स्टैक का प्रोजेक्ट कर ले, भैया फ्लटर का प्रोजेक्ट कर ले, भैया XYZ टेक्नोलॉजी में प्रोजेक्ट कर ले. आई वुड सजेस्ट दैट pick up an interesting product that you want to build, and then based upon the requirements that you will be building in that system, select a tech stack. This leads to our second point, and that is try to do projects in latest technologies, latest frameworks that are available for a given tech stack. .NET और PHP और ये सब जो पुराने technologies है, please do not do projects on them. Pick out latest technologies that is available in the market and has decent amount of documentation with it, and choose those technologies, those tech stacks to build a project on. Now this leads to the third point, and that is do something which is new, नॉट जनरली डन बिफोर. क्योंकि अगर तुम सेम प्रोजेक्ट बार बार करते जाओगे तो ना इंटरव्यूअर देख के इंप्रेस होगा, ना हायरिंग मैनेजर देख के इंप्रेस होगा. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट इज ट्राई टू बिल्ड समथिंग विच इज न्यू, विच हैज सम सॉर्ट ऑफ स्केल टू इट. थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो और थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो, जिससे यू गेट ए लॉट टू लर्न. डेफिनेटली वेट फॉर द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो वेयर आई विल रिवील व्हाट आई एक्चुअली मीन बाय दीज काइंड्स ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स बाय गिविंग यू 5 किक-एस और प्रोजेक्ट आइडियाज. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात ये सारे बंदे भूल जाते हैं while doing a project, and that is कि चीजें समझो rather than simply doing it. Try to understand it as well. Do not just focus on what, but also try to answer the why behind choosing a technology, why behind choosing a certain service for your project. You should be able to answer such questions properly. Not only this, always be sure that while you are selecting the tech stack, the technology to do your project, the language to do it upon, you always compare it with similar technologies, similar languages, similar services that are out there, and have the answer to why you chose a certain technology, why you chose a certain service, certain API that is available over the others. Most of the times project based rounds में questions ये नहीं होगा कि तुमने करा क्या है, वो तो चलो होगा ही, बट जज आपको इस पे किया जाएगा कि जो तुमने करा है वो क्यों करा है और किस बेसिस पे तुमने ये सिलेक्ट करा है. लास्ट पॉइंट इसमें मैं ये बोलूंगा कि जो बंदे AI ML पे प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं, बहुत बढ़िया AI ML पे प्रोजेक्ट करो, डू दीज प्रोजेक्ट, बट डोंट जस्ट कॉल सम APIs, don't just call some libraries that are present and say that you have done an AI or ML project, because that is not an AI or ML project. Generally, while doing AI and ML projects, research-based projects are preferred. It is preferred that you do something on your own using the existing frameworks that are present. Now we will quickly discuss about how to find these projects. First and foremost is a very basic technique. Whatever company you wish to work for, or all these product tech companies, just search for people who are working there. In LinkedIn, go through their profiles. और उधर देख लो उन्होंने किस किस प्रोजेक्ट में काम कर रखा है, या तो उस कंपनी में या प्रीवियस किसी कंपनी में, या अगर उनका रेज्यूमे अवेलेबल है तो सबसे बढ़िया, सोने पे सुहागा. जाके उनका रेज्यूमे पढ़ो और देखो कि क्या क्या टाइप ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स उन्होंने कर रखे हैं और उन प्रोजेक्ट्स को इंप्लीमेंट करने का कोशिश करो. देन अनदर कैन बी चूज अ टॉपिक इन विच यू वांट टू मेक अ प्रोजेक्ट. इट कैन बी एनी टॉपिक फॉर दैट मैटर. इट कैन बी ब्लॉकचेन, नेचुरल लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसिंग, स्ट्रीम प्रोसेसिंग एंड वॉट नॉट. देन सर्च फॉर research papers on these topics and see if you can actually implement these research papers that other students have researched. You will gain a lot. Then I would like to say that do not do video courses for projects. they will not help at all. They only answer the what and not the why. You will never understand कि क्यों हम लोग कोई technology use कर रहे हैं. You will never understand why we are depending on a certain library and what is the use case of a design that we are implementing. And it is extremely important from interview standpoint, from your learning standpoint, from growing as a good software engineer standpoint. किसी भी standpoint से doing a video based course, a strict no. If you want to do projects, you can do it on your own. But if you do want a course for doing these projects, then you should definitely check out Cryo.do. A big shout out to the sponsor of the video. We will quickly look at what Cryo.do offers. So Cryo.do is a project based development course. You can go ahead and try it out. There is a free trial that is going on right now. Definitely go and check it out. I will give you the link to register for the free course down in the description below. Go there, register and avail the free trial that is present, and comment down below how did you like it. Not only this, you can also use my promo code, which is Soumyajit, for availing 10% discount in whichever course you want to take. They have complete end-to-end projects that you can make and host. They will teach you how to make a ride sharing application. They will teach you how to make an Uber Eats kind of an application. They have two tracks. One is the backend developer track and the other one is a full stack developer track. Apart from that, they also have a fellowship program in which placements are guaranteed. It's not a video course at all. They will give you a set of requirements that you need to do, and they will provide you with information that you need to learn in order to do it, and you will do it on your own. You will get mentorship from SD2s at these major tech companies like Amazon, Microsoft. One more thing that you can use to actually understand what kind of projects are expected at the industry level, what kind of projects can you do to make your resume 10 times better, is this playlist, which is This Is My Architecture. This is present in the Amazon Web Services channel. No, this is not a promotion at all. And definitely, I myself have used it quite a lot to understand different projects that are present at different companies and how they implement it. There are like 550 videos that you will find here, and you can simply go there and watch these videos to understand the different projects that they have and what is the architecture of the project, and use that knowledge to build your own projects. I really hope you're liking the content till now. If you are, then wait किसका कर रहे हो? Like button को ठोक दो, सब्सक्राइब कर दो और नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर दो. नॉट ओनली दिस, कमेंट करो व्हाट आर द प्रोजेक्ट्स दैट यू आर मेकिंग राइट नाउ. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट 5 अमेजिंग प्रोजेक्ट आइडियाज. Number 1, you can think about building a video chat based application. But make sure do not use any publicly known available APIs directly to make it. Use the bare bones WebRTC framework and their libraries and their APIs to actually build a video chat application. You can here first try to build a one-to-one video chatting application and then try and extend it to more number of people. Apart from that, some of the interesting things that you can also do here is create live captioning, live subtitle on the video. जैसे YouTube में नीचे सबटाइटल्स आते हैं, अभी आ रहा होगा, एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट. जस्ट वन कैच, YouTube में हम लोग एक सबटाइटल फाइल अपलोड करते हैं, वेयर एज इधर ये डायरेक्टली वॉट एवर वी आर स्पीकिंग एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इट विल लिसन टू इट एंड कन्वर्ट इट इनटू टेक्स्ट. दैट्स अ वेरी गुड प्रोजेक्ट टू हैव एंड इट इज कंप्लीटली डुएबल. ऐसे मैं ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स नहीं बोल रहा हूँ जो कि आप कर नहीं सकते. सेकेंड इज क्रिएटिंग अ प्रेडिक्टिव टेक्स्ट फीचर. नाउ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय क्रिएटिंग प्रेडिक्टिव टेक्स्ट? प्रोजेक्ट इज बेसिकली जब भी अपन गूगल पे टाइप करते हैं कुछ भी, तो वहाँ पे एक 10-15 लिस्ट आ जाता है, राइट? तुरंत ही टाइप करने के कि क्या क्या हो सकता है प्रोबेबल चीजें. सो यू कैन ट्राई एंड बिल्ड द सेम हियर. ऑब्वियसली इट विल रिक्वायर एक्सटेंसिव नॉलेज ऑन Lucene, Elasticsearch. Not only this, you can extend this project to also implement a fuzzy text matching as well, so that even if the user input is wrong, we are able to match it to the nearest possible correct user inputs and return the results. Third will also be an extension to the video chatting application, but instead of a video chatting application, you can build a live streaming application. It will be an amazing project for your resume. You will gain a lot of knowledge about socket programming, how streaming connection works. ये live stream जो अपन बोलते हैं वो होता क्या है? You will gain a lot of knowledge about networking, how these packets are delivered, कैसे इसको अपन listen करते हैं and then transmit करते हैं. You will also learn a lot about cloud computing, AWS, Azure, whichever cloud services you use to build this project. Fourth is a very interesting project. It is the social graph project. ये आपके non-linear data structure पे आ जाता है. Just like Facebook, LinkedIn, we create social graphs, right? In all these applications, you can try and build a minimal application implementing the social graph concept, implementing the mutual friends concept, as well as implementing an effective algorithm to render the timelines of a particular user. While doing this, do it in a smaller scale because it's a very big scale project, this one. But yes, if you do it in a smaller scale with certain limitations on the requirement, you can definitely achieve it, and it's an amazing project for sure. Fifth project is real time event detection. You must have seen, right? Google का एक trending feature होता है जहाँ पे trending news और ये सब आ जाता है. तो how it is calculated, and that is what we will be doing it using real time event detection. By event, I am meaning it can be a natural disaster that is happening. It can be a pandemic that is going on right now. It can be a sporting event that is happening. Anything whatsoever, anything newsworthy. Whenever it happens, people start tweeting about it. People start writing LinkedIn posts, Facebook posts, as well as newspaper starts covering those articles in the internet. So you can use multiple such sources as your information and create a clustering based algorithm to determine such kind of events that are happening around the world. All in all, I can simply say one thing: if you do these kinds of projects, definitely your resume, nobody is stopping it from getting selected, because any hiring manager, any recruiter, anyone who is seeing this will get impressed by it. At the end, I would say that the aim should never be to just crack an interview, but it should be to be able enough to succeed thereafter. So focus on these things that I have told in this entire video. It will definitely help you to build that temperament that will make you the winner. Thank you guys for watching this video till now. I really appreciate your support that you are giving to the channel. If you like the content, then like the video, share it among your friends and peers, and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Not only this, hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload such content. Do comment down below different kind of videos that you would want me to make. The next company review will be of Intuit, dropping next week, so stay tuned for that. And comment down below other company reviews that you would want me to make. I will definitely try my level best to get and gather as much information as possible for different companies and make those videos for you. This is Soumya Ajit bidding goodbye. Das Vidanya.